Hey everybody, Ray here. You know, most people are familiar with the kiddie cocktail, Shirley Temple, and I'll put the ingredients down in the section down below. Most people are very familiar with the alcoholic version of the Shirley Temple, which is the Dirty Shirley. Now, the Dirty Shirley is pretty much just vodka, grenadine, and a little bit of lemon lime, like either 7-Up. You know, it's a pretty good drink if vodka is your spirit of choice. I mean, it tastes okay, it's all right, but I thought it's a little better. I like my rum. Okay, so I'm gonna show you two variations of the Dirty Shirley that I like. Now, one that I made for my wife and one that I made for me. Okay, and the one I made for my wife is very simple. I'm just gonna put 1.5 parts of Bacardi cherry rum in there. Put that in our shaker. Now, also, traditional Dirty Shirley recipes do not call for any lime juice. Oh, I like lime juice and I like a little orange juice in there. I found that's the best. So I'm going to put a half an ounce of each in there, okay? Half an ounce of lime juice, which I pre-squeezed. Throw that in your shaker. And half an ounce of orange juice, which I previously squeezed, and strain all the pulp and stuff out. Okay, then we're gonna throw between 1/4 to ½ ounce of our homemade grenadine. Homemade grenadine is so much better. This is worlds above that roses are. I mean, if you're gonna get a grenadine, get a quality grenadine or make it yourself. That's the best. So I'm just gonna measure out like a half of that. My homemade grenadine. Grenadine is nothing more than just pomegranate juice. And to that, we're just gonna ice up our shaker. First, we're gonna get our glass out of our chiller. Okay, now if you don't have a chiller, just put your glass, throw some ice in there, and let that sit while you're making your drink. Then it'll be cold by the time you get done. Okay, give it a shake for like 10-11 seconds. And try to do that shake above your shoulder. Okay, now we're just gonna pour that in our glass. You know what? I'm just gonna free pour it again because I want that ice in there. I'm just gonna kind of free pour it in there. Then I'm just gonna hit it with my garnish that I pre-made. Put that right on top. Call it over, and then that is your Dirty Shirley with the rum. Let's check that out. Yeah, man. Oh, that is good. That is really good. Probably even better when you soak the stuff in and let it soak in there. Put it aside, and I'm going to show you my drink. Now, I want to make one for myself also, but me, I like my rum and I like my Jamaican rum, so I made mine just a little bit different. Let me show you how I did that. Okay, so when I came to making a drink for myself, what I did was I like my Jamaican rum. So I kind of altered mine just a little bit different, okay? I'm going to put 1 ounce of Denizen Jamaican rum in there. Add that to our shaker. And then I'm going to put another ounce of Cruzan Black Cherry Rum. Now, of course, it's from St. Croix, but out there in the... Okay, and we're gonna simply give it a little squirts, almost a half of our grenadine. Our homemade grenadine. Homemade is so much better. Ice up our shaker. put our half of lime juice in. And then of course follow it up with our half of orange juice. I found the citrus kind of balances out the sweetness. So that's why I found putting the orange juice in there is that much better. Okay, give it a shake for like 10-11 seconds and try to cool while we're doing it. Okay, again, we're gonna grab a glass out of our chiller. Like I said, if you don't got a chiller, just simply throw ice in your glass, let it sit there. Now I'm just gonna re-pour because I want that ice in there. Okay, then I made another garnish for mine. I'm gonna hang it over the edge. So that was mine, okay? So mine's with the, let's see how that tastes, you know? Mine is with the Denizen white and the St. Croix dark cherry. Let's see how mine tastes. Let's give that a whirl. Wow. Very similar, but I do like this one better. Got a little more alcohol in it too, but I think I like the different combination of rums is pretty good. So subscribe to me so you can subscribe and hit the bell so that way you're notified when I put out fresh content. Okay, like this, share with somebody, but definitely send me a comment. Let me know, man. Do you like Dirty Shirley? What kind of rums do you like? Do you like it with rum? Do you like it with vodka? Let me know, man. Let me know what the story is, okay? So, until next time, my friends, just remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll see you just in time for the next round. I'll see you. Similar. That's good too, I like that. Gotcha. What did you got going? You know, yeah, I think it was okay. Yeah, I think you did okay. What do you want out of me?